nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. There are two types, mainly two types है nucleophilic substitution reaction में, SN1, SN2. अच्छा, there are two types है SN1, SN2. SN1, SN2. अच्छा, what are SN1? What are SN2? Very simple. SN2 is a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. अच्छा, SN1 is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Is a unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular, unimolecular. अच्छा, first I go for difference, then I will explain mechanism SN1, SN2. अच्छा, SN2 mechanism is a one-step mechanism, one-step process. It is a one-step process. In one-step process है. This is a two-step process है. Two-step process है. अच्छा, in first step there are two participants. Two molecules are participated here, over here. देखो, in one step two molecules are participating. In one step, two molecules are participating, involved. So this is second order reaction. Second order reaction. Now देखो, ये two step पर, but first step is slowest step. First step is slowest step. मतलब in slowest step only one molecule is participating. In slowest step only one molecule is involved. This is first order reaction. अच्छा, देखो, it is bimolecular, unimolecular, one step mechanism, two step mechanism. In one step में first step is RDS step है. First step is nothing but RDS है. Yes, slowest step only nothing but RDS. So RDS में rate determining step में two molecules are involved. Second order reaction है, first order reaction. Now in case of SN2, strong nucleophiles are required. Here strong nucleophiles are required. Strong nucleophiles are required. Strong nucleophiles are required. Generally strong nucleophiles are required. But here first step मतलब bulky groups will take. Bulky groups are more reactive, means mild nucleophiles are also sufficient for this. Here mild nucleophiles are also sufficient. Mild nucleophiles are also sufficient. But here strong nucleophiles are required, mild nucleophiles are sufficient. Now next step is अच्छा, here in SN2 mechanism aprotic solvents are required. अच्छा, here aprotic solvents are required. अच्छा, aprotic solvents favors SN1 SN2 mechanism. What are aprotic solvents? Aprotic solvents का मतलब non proton donors है, like DMF dimethyl formamide अंटाम, like DMSO dimethyl sulfoxide अंटाम, like acetone. These are aprotic solvents are required. Generally, aprotic solvents favors SN2 mechanism, but protic solvents are required over it. Protic solvents. अच्छा, protic solvents is either water, like ammonia, like HF, etc. These are protic solvents are required because ionization is possible in protic solvents. Ionization not possible in protic solvents. अच्छा देखो, aprotic solvents stabilize transition state. Aprotic solvents stabilize transition state है, transition state है. But here अच्छा, protic solvents favors ionization, मतलब here carbocations are formed, अच्छा, there is no chance of carbocation, only transition state here carbocations are formed. अच्छा, once transition state there is no rearrangement. अच्छा, rearrangement is not possible over here. Rearrangement is not possible over here. Rearrangement is not possible. But whenever carbocation is formed, there is chance for rearrangement. Whenever carbocation is formed, there is chance for rearrangement. Here rearrangement is possible. Rearrangement is possible. Is possible because intermediate compounds are carbocations. Intermediate carbocations forms. Achha, suppose if initially taken compound, optically active compound, is Walden inversion take place. Only inversion take place over here. Achha, here in SN2 mechanism, inversion, that is called Walden inversion. मतलब backside attack is more predominant in case of SN2 mechanism. Walden inversion take place. Here racemization take place. Racemization take place. मतलब retention and inversion both are possible. मतलब here retention, inversion both are possible. Retention and inversion both are possible. Achha, once again point wise we can discuss now. Once you see here SN2 is a bimolecular, SN1 is unimolecular. One step mechanism, two step mechanism. One step may two molecules are participating, second order. Slowest step is a RDS, that's why first order only. Strong nucleophiles are required, mild nucleophiles are sufficient only. Aprotic solvents favors SN2, protic solvents favor SN1. Aprotic solvents stabilize transition state, protic solvents stabilize carbocation only. Once carbocation is formed, there is a chance for rearrangement in case of carbocation, but in case of transition state, rearrangement is not possible. Achha, only backside attack is inversion is possible, but inversion retention both are possible. This is a racemization. Now order of reactivity. Generally, order of reactivity generally primary alkyl halides are more reactive than secondary, then tertiary. Tertiary alkyl more reactive but easily ionized, but not favorable. Tertiary alkyl is not favorable. Order of reactivity is reverse sign. In case of SN1 mechanism, reverse sign. In case of SN1 mechanism, tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Now living group है, इस nucleophilic substitution है, so means an atom or a group replaced by another atom or a group. So one nucleophile replaced by another nucleophile, strong nucleophile. That's why this is called living group order. Achha, what is the living group order? Order of reactivity or living group order. Order of reactivity in halogens. Living group order. Achha, living group order. Living group, or else what we call as order of reactivity. Order of reactivity. Order of reactivity. Achha, generally Ri is more reactive than RBr, then RCl, then RF. For example, RF say suppose RF से aqueous KOH replacement मुश्किल है, ROH मुश्किल है, very difficult है because poor living group है, F1 is poor living group है, order of reactivity is very less only. So living group tendency or order of reactivity is alkyl halide iodides are more reactive than RBr, then RCl, then RF only. Acha, here also SN1 mechanism also same order follows. Ri is greater than, RBr is greater than, RCl is greater than RF. Achha, these are the basic point, then I go for mechanism. Once again, these are basic points, then I go for mechanism. Some special case also there. I can discuss some special case over here also. What are the special cases over here? This is special case hai, sometimes like the JEE examination like question they may ask. Special case hai. Hetero atom on beta carbon. Hetero atom on beta carbon. Beta carbon favors SN2 mechanism. Hetero atom on beta carbon. अच्छा कैसा है hetero atom on beta carbon? Heteroatom on beta carbon like CH3, वो CH2, CH2Br. Suppose this is a primary alkyl, no doubt, but this is alpha carbon है. देखो alpha carbon है, beta carbon है. अच्छा beta carbon में heteroatom on beta carbon favors SN2 mechanism, but here heteroatom on alpha carbon. Heteroatom on alpha carbon. Alpha carbon favors SN1 mechanism. Favors SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism. Example देख लीजिए. एक example है. CH2, CH3. वो CH2Br because SN1 mechanism is alpha carbon heteroatom. देखो whenever this is living group है, Br is a living group है, carbocation is formed ना CH3 वो CH2 plus. अच्छा this carbocation is very stable, much stable because of resonance है. देखो lone pair sigma positive is a conjugation is there. There is a conjugation, that's why it is the most stable. So whenever heteroatom on alpha carbon favors SN1 mechanism, heteroatom on alpha carbon favors SN1, heteroatom on beta carbon favors SN2 mechanism only, right? Sure. And one more case. अच्छा pi bond on gamma carbon favors SN2 mechanism. Pi bond on gamma carbon. Sometimes in JEE Advanced this is a very exceptional question, sir. Because whenever pi bond on gamma carbon instead of inversion retention. अच्छा pi bond on gamma carbon. Example है pi bond on gamma carbon. CH2 CH double bond CH, CH2, CH2Br. Like alpha, a beta, gamma. Gamma carbon में pi bond है. If gamma carbon में pi bond है, this is the favors SN2 mechanism. Whereas pi bond on beta carbon, pi bond on beta carbon, right? On beta carbon, pi bond on beta carbon. अच्छा pi bond on beta carbon आप देख लीजिए, pi bond in beta carbon है. एक एग्जांपल है, इज वेरी फेमिलियर एग्जांपल है, एलाइल కావచ్చు బెంజైల్ కావచ్చు. अच्छा देखो अल्फा बीटा, दिस इज नथिंग बट एलाइल है. ऑफ कोर्स बेंजाइल आल्सो सेम है, एलाइल एंड बेंजाइल है. देखो ये अल्फा ना है बीटा. अच्छा दैट मींस एलाइल बेंजाइल इज मोर फेवरेबल फॉर SN1 mechanism. अच्छा these are special cases है, heteroatom on beta carbon or heteroatom on gamma carbon. And one more important thing is over here, you remember generally electron withdrawing group on beta carbon, electron withdrawing group on beta carbon favors SN2 mechanism. अच्छा we see the mechanism. अच्छा these are the points, sir. What are SN1, what are SN2, what are the favorable conditions for SN1, what are the favorable conditions for SN2. Now we can see the mechanism. What is SN2 mechanism, what is SN1 mechanism, step by step we are going to discuss. अच्छा once again you can check it, all the points once again you can check it. अच्छा देखो all the points one by one you can check it. Bimolecular, unimolecular, one step, two step mechanism. Strong nucleophile, mild nucleophile. Abrodic solvent, protic solvent. Rare element is not possible, rare element is possible over here. Possible over here. Then Walden inversion is taking place, racemization will take place. Order of reactivity, you know, primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary reverse है. Living group order or order of reactivity same है. अच्छा now heteroatom on beta carbon favors SN2, heteroatom on alpha carbon favors SN2. अच्छा pi bond on gamma carbon, pi bond on gamma carbon is favors SN2, pi bond on beta carbon, particularly allyl and benzenes are favorable conditions for the formation of SN1 mechanism. Now we see the mechanisms, right? Now we see the mechanism. Now we see the mechanism. First I go for SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. देखो in SN2 mechanism, first I will take one primary alkyl halide, अच्छा CH3Cl, aqueous KOH or NaOH. अच्छा in inert solvent like DMF or DMSO in inert solvent, dimethyl formamide. DMF का मतलब dimethyl formamide अंटा. अच्छा what are the products formed is nothing but substitution है. What are the substitution means? Instead of one nucleophile another nucleophile is substituted. Nucleophilic substitution reaction है. अच्छा unimolecular, this is a CH3O OH and KCl. This is a general equation for SN2 mechanism. अच्छा what mechanism over here? Mechanism is in single step. The mechanism will take place only single step. In single step, अच्छा you write mechanism only single step mechanism. Single step mechanism आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा CH अच्छा ACl. अब यहां से न्यूक्लियोफाइल सेलेक्ट किया, OH माइनस, यहां से OH माइनस है, यहां से OH माइनस, दिस RDS स्टेप है, स्लो स्टेप है, RDS स्टेप है, स्लो स्टेप। अच्छा, RDS स्टेप में 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स आर इन्वॉल्वड, दैट्स व्हाई बायोमॉलिक्यूलर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन। अच्छा, नाउ हियर SN2 मैकेनिज्म में ट्रांजिशन स्टेट है। अच्छा, ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बनेगा ऐसा, always unstable, that's why we put it in the bracket only. Transition state is always unstable, I put it in bracket only, transition state. Now I am writing transition state में, अच्छा कार्बन है, देखो हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन, अच्छा ये ग्रुप है, ये वाला Cl ग्रुप है, backside attack is more predominant SN2 mechanism only. Backside attack is more predominant in SN2 mechanism. मतलब SN2 mechanism shall I write like this here? This OH group है like this. अच्छा, what is happening over here? What is happening over here? अच्छा, bond breaking. अच्छा, bond making. अच्छा, new bond breaking, it requires some time only, not immediately इसको bond CCl bond break करेगा and COH bond बनेगा, इस मुश्किल है, it will take, this is a very slow step process है, very difficult है. So once they decided, then easily bond breaking and bond making take place only one step है, this is very fast step है. अच्छा, this is called transition state. Transition state में आप देख लीजिए कार्बन का वैलेंसी 5 है, कार्बन का वैलेंसी 5 is unstable only. So transition state में क्या बनेगा, in fast step this is living group है, this is living group है, ये ग्रुप बाहर जाएंगे, it will go outside only because this is living group only. अच्छा, now a product बनेगा like, a product बनेगा ऐसा C H H and H. Now this is a OH. अच्छा, ఎలా ఉందో చూడండి, this is becomes a umbrella అయితే ఇన్వర్టర్ అంబ్రెల్లా లాగా ఉంటుంది, ఇది అంబ్రెల్లా అయితే ఇన్వర్టర్ అంబ్రెల్లా లాగా ఉంటుంది, ఇది డి ఫామ్ అయితే ఇది ఎల్ ఫామ్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. సపోజ్ నేను సపోజ్ నేను ఇక్కడ एक हाइड्रोजन తీసుకున్నాను, एक ड्यूटेरियम తీసుకున్నాను, లైక్ एक మిథైల్ తీసుకున్నాను, एक Cl తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం వస్తుంది, C H ड्यूटेरियम, this is methyl and here OH. अच्छा, ఇది chiral carbon కాబట్టి this is called Walden inversion అంట. If there is no chiral carbon, there is no optically active compound, simply we call inversion only. But if it is a chiral carbon, then inversion is said to be Walden inversion. Walden inversion. Walden inversion. So in slowest step, only 2 molecules are participating. That's why it is SN2 mechanism. अच्छा, ट्रांजिशन स्टेट में क्या होगा, so C living group का bond breaking हो रहा है and C and new nucleophile coming is bond making हो रहा है. So it is a time taken process. Once happening, this reaction is very fast. A living group है, here living group is a Cl minus is living group है, always backside attack is more predominant. This is SN2 mechanism. This is SN2 mechanism. Okay, note करो. I will tell you some other example for SN2 mechanism. Some other example for SN2 mechanism. देख लीजिए some other example for SN2 mechanism. अच्छा, बेस्ट एग्जांपल है विलियमसन सिंथेसिस है, बेस्ट एग्जांपल है विलियमसन सिंथेसिस. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ईथर्स है विलियमसन सिंथेसिस. देखो विलियमसन सिंथेसिस क्या होगा, इथाइल ब्रोमाइड है, इथाइल ब्रोमाइड है, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम इथॉक्साइड है. अच्छा, एप्रोटिक सॉल्वेंट है, लाइक ईथर కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా एप्रोटिक सॉल्वेंट है. अच्छा we get ether है, CH3 CH2O C2H5 ether है, this ether है, this is nothing but example for SN2 mechanism है, विलियमसन सिंथेसिस एन एग्जांपल फॉर SN2 मैकेनिज्म है। कैसा आप देख लीजिए, विलियमसन एग्जांपल फॉर SN2 मैकेनिज्म है, देख लीजिए कैसा है। अच्छा फर्स्ट स्टेप में चल रहा है, फर्स्ट स्टेप में CH3 सॉरी CHBr here base ion alkoxide ion strong base है, C2H5O minus is strong base है because ethyl alcohol is a weak acid है, conjugate base is very strong base है। अच्छा now this is RDS step में, slow step में। अच्छा स्लो स्टेप में क्या बनेगा, ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बनेगा। ट्रांजिशन स्टेट में देख लीजिए क्या है, वैलेंसी 5 होना चाहिए, ये 5 क्या है, अच्छा एक मिथाइल है, हाइड्रोजन है एंड हाइड्रोजन है। अच्छा लिविंग ग्रुप इज Br over here, living group is BRO, living group is BRO, backside attack is here, backside attack is here, alkoxide है C2H5। अच्छा दिस इज लिविंग ग्रुप है, दिस इज लिविंग ग्रुप है, बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग है, ये बॉन्ड मेकिंग है। एंड फास्ट स्टेप में, इन फास्ट स्टेप so what is इन फास्ट स्टेप में क्या हो रहा है, ये C2H5O, अच्छा ये HCH3, nothing but C2H5O CH2 CH3, nothing but ether only। अच्छा Williamson synthesis an example for SN2 mechanism only, Williamson synthesis an example for SN2 mechanism only, note करो, Williamson synthesis an example for SN2 mechanism, Williamson synthesis an example for SN2 mechanism। चलो I will tell you one more example है, one more example है। one more example है। अच्छा RCl with the Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr, or else I go for RMg, sorry, instead of this I go for one general example, methyl bromide I consider a primary alkyl halide, अच्छा this is also an example for SN2 mechanism। देखो why SN2 mechanism, here weak nucleophile, this is a Br minus is a weak nucleophile, weak nucleophile। अच्छा CH3 minus is a strong nucleophile। अच्छा replacement of an atom or a group by another atom or a group is nothing but this is what happened here, preparation of ethane C2H6 plus MgBr2 is also an example for SN2 mechanism only। अच्छा this is not happening in case of tertiary alkyl halide। अच्छा this is note here, note in case of suppose I go for tertiary है, in case of I go for tertiary alkyl halide, alkane नहीं बनेगा, MgBr है। अच्छा in this case it is not acting like a nucleophile, it is acting like a base whole here, now it is a strong base है, but here it is a nucleophile है। रीजन देखो, इज ए मोर रिएक्टिव है, मोर रिएक्टिव मींस यहां से फर्स्ट आयनाइज होता है टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन से यहां से एक हाइड्रोजन को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करेगा बेस, एक हाइड्रोजन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करके CH4 बनेगा यहाँ, CH3 माइनस एब्स्ट्रैक्ट द प्रोटॉन। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, अल्कीन्स आर मेजर कंपाउंड है, CH3 double bond CH2, this is alkenes are major compound, but alkane is also formed but it's a minor compound only, but that's why is SN2 mechanism is elimination reaction का example हो रहा है। Now it is an example for elimination reaction हो रहा है. अच्छा, next class, one more class I will discuss with substitution versus elimination also I can discuss when elimination, when substitution is possibility there. So note करो. Then I go for SN1 mechanism के लिए example. Note करो. Right? अच्छा, one or two example you go for SN1 mechanism also. Right? चलो. अच्छा, in case of SN1 mechanism देखो. SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism means I can go for R dash, R double dash, ये BR है, मतलब ये tertiary alkyl है. General example, tertiary alkyl है. अच्छा, in the presence of again same I go for aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH. अच्छा, ये not only one isomer, two isomers are possible. D form, L form both are possible. ये resultant is nothing but अच्छा, एक OH over here, R dash, R double dash. This one is possible. Another one is also possible. यहाँ OH, यहाँ R dash, R double dash. Two isomers are possible. Because racemization is possible in SN1 mechanism. SN2 mechanism only in Walden inversion, backside attack. Here, backside attack and front side attack both are possibility there. You see the mechanism. Achha, here even mild nucleophiles also sufficient for this reaction. Achha, this is a mechanism of देख लीजिए mechanism में अच्छा, first step R dash, BR and R double dash. अच्छा, slow step है, RDS step बोलते हैं. Now nucleophiles are not sufficient for this because already tertiary groups हैं. Tertiary group is more reactive हैं, easily ionizing in polar solvent है. Suppose I consider this is polar solvent है. पोलर सॉल्वेंट है. Whenever I consider पोलर सॉल्वेंट है, क्या बनेगा पोलर सॉल्वेंट में? आयनाइज हो रहा है. आयनाइज का मतलब ये कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा, ये कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. R डैश, R डबल डैश, कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. अच्छा, फॉर कंफर्मेशन, कार्बोकैटायन इज अ प्लेनर मॉलिक्यूल. कार्बोकैटायन undergoes sp dehydration, is a planar molecule. First step में planar molecule बनेगा कार्बोकैटायन. If it is secondary, there is a chance for rearrangement. You can go for rearrangement also. So there is a first step is the nucleophiles are not sufficient, not required. That's why mild nucleophiles are also sufficient in case of SN1 mechanism only. Now, step 2. In step 2. See, in carbocation C plus R dash, R double dash. Attack of nucleophile, mild nucleophiles also. This attack is because planar molecule, either front side or back side, both are possibility there. It can attack back side also, it can attack front side also. Both are possible. Back side attack is possible. This is a fast reaction once carbocation is formed. That's why there are two compounds are formed, racemization is formed. बैक साइड अटैक एंड फ्रंट साइड अटैक। अच्छा बैक साइड अटैक के लिए OH यहां लिखो एंड फ्रंट साइड अटैक के लिए OH यहां लिखना। अच्छा रिमेनिंग यू कैन राइट R dash R double dash, right? R dash R double dash. So this is called racemization take place. Racemization take place in case of SN1 mechanism. अच्छा SN2 is a single step है, SN2 is a two-step mechanism. First step में nucleophile not required, that's why first order reaction है, kinetically first order reaction है. अच्छा unimolecular, that's why unimolecular reaction होता है. अच्छा ओके एग्जाम्पल चलता हूँ SN1 SN2 की। अच्छा प्राइमरी अल्काइल हैलाइड है, प्राइमरी अल्काइल हैलाइड्स है SN2 रिएक्शन पेयर्स। अच्छा सेकेंडरी अल्काइल हैलाइड है अच्छा जनरली SN1 पेयर्स, बट इन केस ऑफ सेकेंडरी अल्काइल हैलाइड है, सेकेंडरी अल्काइल हैलाइड है अच्छा बोथ SN1 and SN2 is favorable. अच्छा when SN1 and when SN2, अच्छा सेकेंडरी में SN1 when SN1 when SN2, अच्छा if beta carbon is tertiary or quaternary, SN1 possible. अच्छा देखो बीटा कार्बन इज टेरिशियरी और क्वाटरनरी, आई विल गो फॉर वन एग्जांपल। देखो यहां ये अल्फा बीटा कार्बन इज टेरिशियरी कार्बन है, बीटा कार्बन टेरिशियरी कार्बन है, देन पॉसिबिलिटी देयर बिकॉज़ कार्बोकैटायन फॉर्म्ड 1,2 हाइड्रोशिप टेरिशियरी कार्बोकैटायन इज फॉर्म्ड। इफ बीटा कार्बन इज टेरिशियरी और क्वाटरनरी, सपोज इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मिथाइल डिका, सपोज इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन నేను మిథైల్ రాశాను అనుకోండి క్వాటర్నరీ అయిపోతుంది, క్వాటర్నరీ అయిపోతుంది। టెరిషియరీ గాని క్వాటర్నరీలో ఈవెన్ సెకండరీ ఆల్కైల్ హ్యాలైడ్ అండర్గోస్ SN1 మెకానిజం। మరి సెకండరీ ఆల్కైల్ హ్యాలైడ్ देखो सेकेंडरी आल्कैल हैलाइड SN2 ఎప్పుడు రాస్తామంటే if beta carbon is primary or secondary, beta carbon is primary or secondary। अच्छा beta carbon primary secondary చూద్దాం ఎలా। अच्छा CH3 CH2 CH2Br, अच्छा ये अल्फा बीटा कार्बन इज रियल सेकेंडरी। अच्छा बीटा कार्बन प्राइमरी आल्सो, सपोज CH3 CH2Br, अच्छा ये अल्फा बीटा कार्बन इज रियल प्राइमरी। अच्छा बीटा कार्बन इज प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी, देन SN2 मैकेनिज्म एंड सेकेंडरी अल्काइल। अच्छा प्राइमरी मोर फेवरेबल SN1, sorry you're mistaken, is it tertiary? अच्छा प्राइमरी इज ऑलवेज SN2, tertiary always SN1, but secondary alkyl में both SN1 SN2 is possible। if SN1 if tertiary beta carbon is tertiary quaternary, SN1 is possible in secondary alkyl। अच्छा if beta carbon is primary secondary alkyl is favorable SN2 mechanism only। now generally we all discuss allyl and benzyl के लिए SN is more favorable। like generally allyl and benzyl mostly SN1 mechanism is favorable because beta pi bond on beta position. Pi bond in beta position SN1 favorable है. Example also CH2 double bond CH2Br देखो alpha beta. Pi bond on beta position, beta carbon is favorable. मतलब allyl and benzyl are SN1 only. Now one more important thing is here Br means bridge carbon में halogen है, neither SN1 nor SN2. Neither SN1 nor SN2. अच्छा यानी ब्रिज कार्बन में बाइसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड में ब्रिज कार्बन में हाइड्रोजन एटम neither SN1 nor SN2. Similarly अच्छा बेंजीन रिंग में डायरेक्ट हाइड्रोजन है, मतलब ये वाला अच्छा नीट 2020 आल्सो क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड, ये कार्बोकैटायन इज अनस्टेबल है like vinyl also like vinyl also आप देख लीजिए like vinyl also. अच्छा ये वाला कार्बोकैटायन लिखना, this is also unstable है, मतलब this two also neither SN1 nor SN2. अच्छा these two ब्रिज कार्बन में हाइड्रोजन एटम और बेंजीन रिंग में हाइड्रोजन एटम, डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन में डायरेक्ट हाइड्रोजन एटम, neither SN1 nor SN2 because these carbocations are unstable. Note कर, I'll tell you one example. I will conclude today class. चलो अच्छा फाइनल है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, फाइनल एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. अच्छा you can tell अच्छा here I am writing ether CH3OC2H5 cold HI. अच्छा anybody can tell this is an example for SN1 or SN2? Anybody please respond. Ethyl right with the cold HI, SN1 na SN2 na? SN2 क्यों? Why? Yes, very good. SN2 is very good. Excellent. Well said. SN2. Why? देखो, we can see the mechanism. We will get an answer. We see the mechanism. We can get answer. CH3O. अच्छा CH2 CH3. HI means acid है, acidic medium है. अच्छा we said in organic chemistry very kind-hearted is nothing but oxygen only. Kind-hearted element is oxygen only because always can donate a pair of electrons to each plus, make a bond with hydrogen, and it becomes CH3 OH CH2 CH3. Now which is a better living group? Bulky group is a better living group. You know, for a kind of information here, write a note. Bulky group is a better living group. Bulky group is a better living group. Better living group. नाउ आई गो फॉर दिस इज नाउ अप्लाइंग SN2 मैकेनिज्म है. क्या SN2 मैकेनिज्म है? ये बल्की ग्रुप है, ये वाला लिविंग ग्रुप है, ये वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियोफाइल. अच्छा I माइनस से वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल, दिस वन है बल्की ग्रुप है. नाउ SN2 मैकेनिज्म है, इंस्टेड ऑफ वन न्यूक्लियोफाइल अनदर न्यूक्लियोफाइल सब्स्टिट्यूटेड ओनली. सो क्या बनेगा? हम CH3I बनेगा. Rest is nothing but ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. So whenever conclusion है, एक नोट है, ये एक नोट है. In cold HI, I minus always goes along with the smaller alkyl group. Along with strong alkyl groups, small alkyl group. This is simple funda. This is SN2 mechanism. Suppose I go for tertiary alkyl halide. So देखो, I go for tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary CH3 O CH3 cold HI. अच्छा, previously with cold HI we said I minus go with a small alkyl group. In case of primary, secondary also is possible, but in case of tertiary carbocation is the most stable. That's why it follows SN1 mechanism. Whenever one of the group is tertiary, then it is SN1 mechanism. Tertiary or allyl or benzyl. So ilanti group we can follow the SN1 mechanism only. If a tertiary groups are, allyl groups are there, benzyl groups are there, then you have to follow the SN1 mechanism only. See the mechanism, very simple. See the mechanism. First step is a protonation. Again simple. HI is acidic medium, and once again kind-hearted element in organic chemistry is oxygen, which can donate a pair of electrons very easily to the H+. You can make a bond CH3 CH3 like CH3 OH CH plus. Now there is a two chances, sir. Here methyl carbocation is also formed and tertiary carbocation is formed. Which is the most stable? Is tertiary is most stable. मतलब ये यहां जाएंगे, ऐसा जाएंगे, then tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. This is a major compound. Then carbocation is formed. I minus can attack either front side or back side also. मतलब here this is example for SN2 mechanism. This is an example for SN2 mechanism. अच्छा, ये एक I CH3 अच्छा, back side also possible, front side also possible. अच्छा, this very much example है, very good example for SN1 SN2 mechanism, right? In case of tertiary allyl and benzyl, you follow SN1 mechanism. Remaining cases you have to follow SN2 mechanism with cold HI, right? Note करो. चलो, I will give last final example. I will conclude today class. Final example. Final example. अच्छा थालिक एनहाइड्रेट है गाब्रियल थालिमेट सिंथेसिस में నేర్చుకొని ఉంటారు గాబ్రియల్ థాలిమేట్ సింథసిస్ లో now I go for KOH अच्छा एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి చూడండి ఇక్కడ देयर आर एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन ఉంది కాబట్టి एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन ఉంది కాబట్టి which can abstract the proton వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది దీని మీరు నేమ్డ్ రియాక్షన్ లో గాబ్రియల్ థాలిమైడ్ సింథసిస్ గా నేర్చుకుని ఉంటారు గాబ్రియల్ థాలిమైడ్ సింథసిస్ గా నేర్చుకుని ఉంటారు మీరు अच्छा here n minus and k plus now I go for rx rbro ri no ఏదో తీసుకున్నాను rx గాని rbr గాని తీసుకున్నాను अच्छा for a kind of information I is a good living group है a good living group है गुड लिविंग ग्रुप है गुड लिविंग ग्रुप है अच्छा क्या बनेगा आप देख लीजिए इंस्टेड ऑफ सपोज दिस इज बल्की ग्रुप है दिस इज बल्की ग्रुप है अच्छा दिस इज आल्सो बेस so then instead of this the replacement है substitution reaction take place है SN2 mechanism हो रहा है यहाँ NR and KI बाहर जाएंगे गुड लिविंग ग्रुप है मींस गुड लिविंग ग्रुप है इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट ग्रुप दिस इज रिप्लेस्ड है इंस्टेड ऑफ हाई माइनस दैट ग्रुप इज रिप्लेस्ड है SN2 mechanism है of course followed by hydrolysis we may get RNH2 as you remember primary amines hai preparation of primary amines this method is used for only preparation of primary amines hai aliphatic amines hai only aliphatic amines hai acha suppose instead of this I go for phenyl like I go for this C6H5 I consider because aniline రావాలంటే అవుతుందా we said this is not possible na this which is not possible this is not possible na unstable neither SN1 nor SN2 అని చెప్పుకున్నాం అందుకే మనకి ఈ మెథడ్ లో aromatic అంటే aniline is not prepared by this method Gabriel Thalhamide synthesis only preparation of primary aliphatic amines only. The reason is there is no chance for SN mechanism for this one because this carbocation is unstable only. Replacement is very difficult for this one, right? Chalo, these are nucleophile electrophilic substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction, and only one remaining that is a free radical substitution reaction. Next class, free radical followed by some elimination reaction I can discuss. So once elimination substitution is over, almost GOC is over now. Then I will start individual chapters only. And inorganic chemistry also 1 or 2 topics only left. The remaining is all completed only. After that I go for revision only, right? Chalo.